Okay, then let's look at a little bit harder question, like page 24. So maybe letter B. That shows that m plus 2 over m minus 2 plus m minus 2 over m plus 2 over m minus 2 over m plus 2 plus m plus 2 over m minus 2. Okay, so this is another complex fraction form. Then you just organize or categorize all the denominator factor from the numerator and denominator. As you see, m minus 2, m plus 2, m plus 2, m minus 2. So you already conjecture what LCD is, right? So LCD will be m minus 2 times m plus 2. Okay, so what was the next step? So we multiply this LCD to each fraction. Then this is going to be m minus 2 times m plus 2 times m plus 2 over m minus 2 plus m minus 2 times m plus 2 times m minus 2 over m plus 2 over m minus 2 times m plus 2 times m minus 2 over m plus 2 plus m minus 2 times m plus 2 times m plus 2 over m minus 2. Okay, then you can cancel them out, this and this, this and this, this and this, and this and this. So if you organize remaining factor, then it's going to be m plus 2, m plus 2 plus m minus 2, m minus 2 over m minus 2, m minus 2 plus m plus 2, m plus 2 actually. Okay, now you multiply and then combine all terms, then it's going to be m squared plus 4m plus 4 plus m squared minus 4m plus 4 over m squared minus 4m plus 4 plus m squared plus 4m plus 4, and this to cancel out. So it becomes 2m squared plus 8 over 2m squared plus 8. Oh, so it becomes actually 1 because they are all same fractions, so you can cancel them out. So become 1. Okay, so let's look at another one. Letter H. X plus y over x minus y minus x minus y over x plus y over xy over x squared minus y squared. Okay, so this case it looks much more complicated, but as long as you can find the LCD, then it will be easier. So we found denominator value already, x minus y and x plus y from the numerator. But look at this carefully. So what's the factoring form of this one? Yes, it is already x plus y and x minus y, right? So from here we can say LCD is already x plus y times x minus y. So let's multiply this one. Then x plus y, x minus y times x plus y over x minus y minus x plus y, x minus y times x minus y over x plus y over x plus y times x minus y, and the xy over x plus y and x minus y. So we cancel out this and this, and this and this, and this and this. Okay, then this going to be what are the remaining factor? Yes, so x plus y minus x minus y and x minus y over x, y. So let's simplify the numerator. Then this is going to be x squared plus 2xy plus y squared minus x squared minus 2xy plus y squared over xy. So it becomes x squared plus 2xy plus y squared minus x squared plus 2xy minus y squared over xy. So this cancelled out. Then this is going to be 4xy over xy. At the last cancellation, x and y together, then it's going to be 4. That will be the answer for this question.